Meaning of hound dog.
Hound dog.
Hound dog.
Hound dog.
Hound dog. Hound dog is an idiomatic phrase that refers to someone who relentlessly pursues someone or something with great determination and persistence. The term hound typically refers to a breed of dog bred for hunting, known for their ability to track prey over long distances with unwavering focus. Hence, calling someone a hound dog implies that they are tenacious and unyielding in their pursuit, often to the point of annoyance or harassment. The term has been popularized in various forms of pop culture, including music and movies, as a way to describe characters chasing after their goals with fervor.